Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring the browser and system allow camera access. Open Meet, click the lock icon or site settings, and enable camera. You must grant permission. Once done, quit any apps that might grab the camera, Zoom, Teams, or camera utilities, because hardware can only stream to one process at a time. Make sure to pick the correct device from Meet's three-dot menu under Settings video. Choose internal versus external. This immediate check prevents most startup failures and gets video flowing. Now focus on the device and software stack. If you have an external webcam, unplug it, wait 5 seconds, then reconnect. If internal, toggle the camera off in Device Manager and re-enable it. Update your camera drivers and the browser. Drivers fix compatibility, while the browser fixes WebRTC issues. Once done, open Meet in an incognito window to disable extensions temporarily. If that fixes it, re-enable extensions one by one. These steps resolve conflicts, driver quirks, and extension interference. Finish by validating everything in Meet's camera preview. Check lighting, adjust resolution, and confirm the correct microphone is paired. If the preview stays black, restart the computer. That clears lingering locks and resets drivers. Once done, retest Meet. If issues persist, switch to another browser or join from a phone using mobile data or a hotspot, which isolates network or device problems. Quick troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, test the camera in the OS Camera app. If it fails there too, it's a hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.